Welcome back to Woodworker Express. My name is Jason. Today we're going to be going over the double action level light joint fasteners. Never have heard of these before. Found them today actually on our website and was like, man, we need to check this out. All right, so as you see, there is a nut, then a bolt, and then basically two parts. So now what's really cool about these fasteners is, yes, there's plenty of these type things on the market, but I've never seen one quite like this. This has little adjustments to let you level out your material when it's together. So say you're together right here, this is bolted. You can use these little things to fine tune the two pieces of, let's say, countertop when you're joining them together, level them out, then you tighten this bolt and nut, get it all nice and secure, and that thing is ready to rock. Let me show you. All right, let's take a look at installing this. So you can kind of line it up, put your pieces that you're going to be joining together. I'd like to just kind of put them together. And then you can just back it away about 1/4 to 1/2 of an inch, enough to make sure you have enough room to tighten them back. You don't want to put it all the way tight because then that's as max as you're going to get. You're not going to get any nice little clamping action. So we're going to just back this up, keeping it nice and square, right about there. Now go ahead and install your screws. Okay, so now we have our two pieces, as you see here. And pretty much when we want to put them all together, kind of line it all up. Perfect. Slide in your screw. And then throw the nut on there. So now the benefit is when you put these two pieces together, you can use these screws here to raise and level the two surfaces, especially for countertops. And so you could have this flipped over underneath as a countertop, adjust these, get it just right, and you have a few of these going down the road, and then just tighten this bolt down. And there the two pieces are nice and level with each other, nice and tight. Simple as that.